When you receive the DM200 DLP 3D printer from Zongheng Additive Manufacturing, unpack and move to the desktop. Press to open the lid of the material box. Find the level and view it. The machine needs to tilt. Then adjust the height of the four base angles of the machine. Make the 3D printer final level. Now it's level, then find the power cord. The power interface is located below the back of the machine and is connected in sequence. Turn on the power switch located on the upper right side of the machine. Wait a moment. Enter the main menu. Click on the reset button of the manual menu for all functions. Waiting for all functions to reset. The distance icon of the mesh axis in the manual menu interface. Adjust the parameter to 80, then press the down motion button. Pay attention here. Check if the after activation, press distance to move button in the bottom left corner of the menu is activated. If it is not opened, it needs to be manually opened again. Then in the scraper shaft menu, find the distance function key. Adjust the parameter to 100 and then press the up button. After moving the scraper into place, find the menu for the material cylinder shaft. Click on distance and adjust the parameter to 10. Press the up button to move the material cylinder into place. Find the material to be printed and poured in the resin. The standard for pouring amount is that the resin should come into contact with the scraper. Then you can start the work you need to print.